Our top 5 best silver leaf paints. One number product. DecoArt 2-ounce sterling silver extreme sheen paint. DecoArt Dazzling Metallic Acrylic paint. An acrylic paint that is made from finely ground metal flakes. These flakes make Dazzling Metallics the brightest best covering paint for adding metallic accents to most projects. Dazzling Metallics are available in a palette of bright glimmering colors from delicate translucent pastels to deep rich shades. Dazzling Metallics can be used on virtually any craft surface like frames, lamps, vases, figurines, candles, candle holders and fabric. This package contains 2 ounces / 59 milliliters. Contents conform to ASTM D4236. Made in USA. 2 number product. COLORmaxx spray paint. Whether you're tackling a DIY furniture project or giving new life to old items, Krylon metallic COLORmaxx spray paint can get the job done. It's a must-have all-purpose spray paint to keep on hand with DIY supplies or in any craft or toolkit. This fast dry spray paint offers a smooth application with added rust protection and can be used for a wide variety of indoor and outdoor projects. 3 number product. DecoArt Dazzling Metallics 2-ounce shimmering silver acrylic paint. DecoArt Dazzling Metallics acrylic paint. An acrylic paint that is made from finely ground metal flakes. These flakes make Dazzling Metallics the brightest best covering paint for adding metallic accents to most projects. Dazzling Metallics are available in a palette of bright glimmering colors from delicate translucent pastels to deep rich shades. Dazzling Metallics can be used on virtually any craft surface like frames, lamps, vases, figurines, candles, candle holders and fabric. 4 number product. Shappy 200 sheets imitation leaf for arts project. The leaf is mainly made of copper. It is thin and breakable. Please use it carefully to avoid ripping. And the imitation leaf is suitable for most surfaces of different materials such as wood, glass, frame, wall, ceiling, and other kinds of crafts. Beautiful color. The leaf is in silver. A popular and gorgeous color is widely applied for craft designs. The bright color will restore your furniture and crafts into beautiful items, and to be more resplendent. Wide usages. 1. These imitation leaves are widely applied in our daily life. They are popular in interior design and artworks. 2. The imitation silver leaf is good for decorating ceiling and wall of your house and office. 3. The imitation silver leaf fits for gilded statues, paintings, crafts, paste, decoration, arts projects, gilding, crafting, decoration, DIY, furniture and other projects. 5 number product. Jacquard Lumiere metallic and pearlescent paint. This brilliant metallic color is a light body acrylic that glides onto any surface when airbrushed or hand painted with a soft brush. You can screen, stamp, stencil, marble or print with it. It is truly opaque and bright even on dark backgrounds and provides excellent coverage with just one pass of a brush or airbrush. Thanks for watching this video.